mga palangga. Good morning, John.
Good morning, darling.
Look at you.
What?
We're going outside to do
No. I'm going to dress this.
What?
You're going to do it. I'm going to do my work.
Okay, I am going outside to do an early chores, which is pipitasin natin yung mga kamatis natin, our last harvest of our tomatoes. I think we need
What you need is two.
yeah, we need this.
This for red. Red tomato. Hang on, is that?
Yeah, this is red.
Something's not good in here.
Oh, there's leaking. Sobrang hinog na kasi ng kamatis na ito, oh. Itong nasa. Sobrang.
Actually, throw them in the greenhouse.
Throw them in the greenhouse?
On the soil, yeah. We'll get seeds in.
Because they're very ripe now. And some of them are...
If you look, there's already one in the greenhouse, already seeds have germinated.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so... Itatapo namin to sa greenhouse. Kasi sobrang hinog na kasi nila. Yeah, can you take that, please? It's gloomy day today. Pero at least, hindi umuulan. Kailangan ko din tong linisin yung greenhouse kasi may mga damo na, oh. There you go. At yung basil natin, ilalagay ko dito, itatanim ko dito. Yan. So, I hope next year, itong mga kamatis na to, look! Meron ng kamatis na tumubo. Yeah, my melon needs to go.
It's not dead yet though.
Yeah, just leave it.
It's still growing, is that?
I don't think so.
I do. I'm not wiping out if we put anything in it. Okay, so
Yeah, you are right, honey. Yeah, tomatoes.
You could pot them and put one in house and they'll grow tomatoes in house.
We don't have pots. We need to buy some
Pot
pots.
behind you. What's that?
Yeah, but that's not big enough, hon.
To start with.
No.
Transfer. We've got some big ones like that.
Oh.
She just doesn't want to do it.
Here.
Well, why don't you do it after you've picked loads?
Oh, may nahulog. I need to put you down, mga palangga. May delivery si John. I'll put you right here. Hindi ako sure, mga palangga, kung yung mga green tomatoes kailangan ba nating i-pick up. But I'm pretty sure John said na I need to pick up the green tomatoes as well. Pero hindi ko muna sila ipipick up until I double check John. Bakit ba nasa kusina ako? Kailangan ko ng gloves. Yan. At ito. Because while we are waiting for John, may delivery kasi si John. So while we are waiting for him, we will clean the greenhouse. Itong basil na to, itatanim ko dito. Dito ko siya itatanim near sa ating leek, rosemary, at dito ko siya itatanim. There. Hello, girls! Meron tayong bisita. Hello! So, hindi ko muna tatanggalin yung melon natin, mga palangga. Hindi na talaga siya lumalaki ay. Well, at least we have a big one melon. We have one cucumber here. I don't know if this is good. Might be alright. Meron pa tayong kamatis ditong pipitasin. There. Umalis na yung delivery, guys. So, we need to confirm dyan if we need to pick up the green tomatoes. Ano mang ginagawa ng kapitbahay namin? Ang ingay sa bahay nila. Hello! Hi! What are you doing? What is this?
It's a Range Rover.
For the Range Rover?
It's another one. It's a very early engine. Mega so early, it's a different block.
Hey, I want to ask if I need to pick up the tomatoes, the green tomatoes.
Yes.
All of them?
Yeah. We'll write them in the house.
Right, okay. Yes daw, sabi ni Mr. Okay. Yung green tomatoes, papahinugin na lang namin sila sa bahay, sa loob ng bahay. Ito si Pipa, uy. Yung ripe tomatoes, ilalagay ko muna dito. And in the bottom, ilalagay natin yung green tomatoes. How cute is that? Magsisimula na tayo. Dito naman tayo. Wow, look at this. Ang ganda niya tingnan. Kung sa dito lang ha, sa camera tingnan, para siyang mansanas, para siyang apple lang tingnan. Yan. Ilalagay ko sila dito. Nakikita niyo ba yung bibig ko? Umuusok. Kasi nilalamig kasi ako. Meron pa, marami pang green tomatoes na kailangang i-pick. Mostly dito, ditong side. At sa kabila din, meron pang mga green tomatoes dyan. And the customer is still here. So, ito na yung green tomatoes natin. Plus, ito yung ripe tomatoes natin. Hindi ko talaga sila sinuyod yung I did not pick everything kasi meron pang natira dito. Yan. Meron pa din dito. So, hindi ko muna ipipick up yung iba. Well, we just leave them. Really. Yan. O, diba? Yan, lahat. Kinombine ko na yung ripe and unripe tomatoes. Sa camera talaga ay it looks like an apple. Iwan ko kung ako lang ba. But I really think it looks like an apple from here. So, kailangan ko na itong dalhin sa bahay, mga palangga. So, iiwan ko kayo dito kasi I cannot manage with one hand the camera and this one. This is heavy, you see. So, I'll be back for you, okay? So, bye! I'm here. Gutom ako. Aalis na yung customer. Kakainin natin yung leftover na kanin and leftover na kawali. Lechon kawali. Nagutom ako dahil sa pagpipick up ng mga kamatis. Nako naman, oy. Gutom talaga ako kanina pa kasi hindi kasi ako nag-breakfast. Kasi kanina ang breakfast, hindi kasi ako gutom. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, later na lang ako kakain. So ngayon, yung tiyan ko, humihingi na ng pagkain. My hand still smells of kamatis. So ito yung leftover chicken and sweet corn soup. We will give this to John kasi meron tayong ito, garlic bread. So, nagpaalam naman ako kay Mr. Sabi ko, Mr., is it okay na kakainin ko yung leftover na pork at yung kanin? Sabi niya, do what you like, darling. Ang sweet talaga ng asawa ko eh. Minsan, hindi everyday. Minsan lang. Iinitin ko muna. So, kain tayo. So, ito yung breakfast ko / lunchtime kasi almost lunchtime na dito. So, ito. Yan. Lechon kawali, 2 egg, and also rice, saging, orange juice, all-purpose sauce, at sausawan ko, suka at toyo as usual. Nanonood ako ng TV. Ang sarap. Sabi ni Jan na gusto daw niyang itry yung lumpia. So, pag nakapunta tayo sa Oriental shop, bibili tayo ng lumpia wrapper. Si Mr. hindi naman siya masyadong mapili sa Filipino food. Basta wag lang daw yung balot, yung tuyo, nuno daw, at yung bagoong. Kasi bumili ako ng bagoong. Microwave ko. Nako, yung bagoong wasak sa microwave. At si Mr. talaga sobrang baho. Na-vlog ko yun. May mga insidente talaga no na yung mga tao nagki-claim talaga no kahit wala naman. Hindi talaga honest yung ibang tao. So mga palangga, kain muna ako din. Babalikan ko kayo later. Oras na para magluto ulit tayo ng ating hapunan. Hindi ko na kayo nabalikan after ko kumain kasi sobrang dami kong ginagawa. Nag-book ako ng mga appointment and everything kasi kailangan ko mag-book ng appointment para sa flu job. So, yeah, that's sorted and I need to do my assignment, do my diary for next year. Ito, I'm not done my diary, but I am starting. Ito yung new diary ko. It's very pink. Napakita ko na to sa inyo. hindi siya makikita. Sobrang dark ito. Yan. You see? Sobrang feminine ng diary ko. O, diba? Tigasin tong ngipin ko. So, ngayon, we need to split them up. Kailangan natin ihiwalay yung ripe tomatoes and yung green tomatoes. Makikita nyo kung bakit. So, lalagay ko lang dito yung ripe kamatis, yung mga hinog na kamatis. We need to break them apart na. Yan. So, yung natira dito, ilalagay natin siya dito para pahinugin natin. So, kailangan nating magladlad ng paper. At ilagay natin yung kamatis dito. So, yun na mga loves. Hindi ko to ilalagay dito kasi nakikita nyo naman pula na siya. Naku, oy, tingnan nyo yung orchids natin. Hindi ko pa din siya nahanapan ng flower pot. Yung flower pot na nakita nyo sa loft, yung opening ng pot kasi sobrang liit niya. Hindi siya ganito ba? Hindi siya ganito, oh. Ito. It has a wide opening, di ba? Yun is sobrang niya, liit ng opening. So, kung ilalagay ko doon yung orchids, hindi siya magkasya. So, anyway, naghihintay na ako sa soup kasi Jan and I will have a starter kasi meron tayong leftover na chicken and sweet corn soup. And we'll have a garlic bread with it. Honey, it's ready. The starter is ready. It smells so good, hon.
Where'd you get this restaurant soup from?
That's your favorite garlic bread. Look at your face. They always said that a day-old soup is more tastier than the first one, the fresh one. Do you agree with that?
Possibly. Tastes good anyway.
The battery of my camera is blinking, so yes. Good.
Why'd you do that?
So that it will focus.
No, J. On the fence there, your J.
What's J?
Called the J.
Oh, the bird.
2 J's.
What do they call J?
They've got bright blue feathers on the wings.
I don't know.
Very good.
I'm only having a starter because I eat a lot of rice this afternoon. I'm actually not hungry, but if I'm not eating now, later on I will be hungry.
Channel. See blue feathers on it. You see him on the side of the wing as well.
My battery lasted a bit longer.
Which we'll go in a minute.
It's been flushing for ages now.
Because he wants to see me, that's why. So yummy.
I just had my shower. Now we will try to light the fire. Let's see if meron tayong woods. No, I don't think so, Han. There is a wood to start a fire. Anyway, Jan said na lalabas daw siya. Papalabasin niya yung aso. So, kukuha siya ng mga small woods. I-disinfect ko muna itong tools ko para sa manicure and pedicure kasi nilinisin ko yung kuko ni Jan. Ito, papakuluan ko sila. Ito na yung boiling water and antibacterial. Ito lang yung antibacterial na meron ako. So, we need a few squirt. Yan. And ilunod natin yung mga tools natin. Para safe siya gamitin ba. Yan. I miss lighting this. I-open natin yung top and bottom. Yeah. So that's it. That's our wood burner lit. So today I will be manicurista ako ngayon. Magkakape muna ako. Then we will do Jan's toenails and fingernails. So exciting, isn't it?
No. She's violent.
I'm not.
And we went to
Never violent.
to their lovely decking.
What is that?
It's with great big holes in it. And the reason
All our tools
I'm making some
This tonight.
for the dogs.
are ready.
My dog doesn't watch this show because
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
I've lost
We are
something to drain.
addicted watching, what is that again? Love in the Country. So they're like,
The great thing about
in some way, it's like a
People who live in
deep
remote
inside. It's like, not, what
areas.
is,
It's not deep inside.
it's like pairing
That's why
people.
discovering. Try
What it is people who struggle to find love because they live way out in the countryside, away from anywhere, and the jobs that they do, the farmers, and things like that, or it involves long hours working, and it's difficult to meet somebody.
Mm.
So this program has sort of got people together. Or well, picks one guy, his photograph is sent out to loads of girls, or sent out, and then they get wait for replies coming back.
Yeah, so it's just in some. It's like a pinpal. Oh, pinpal.
No.
Well, it's
All they do is, if they like him and they want to meet him, they just reply to it.
yeah, it's
And
in a
then they
letter.
choose about 8 of them, was it, or whatever, and they speak to so many.
Wow.
And they had to choose 3, didn't they?
Yeah.
Lucky guy.
Whatever.
3.
There was a team.
He's trimming his nails off now.
So it's no surprise
He's getting
that we were
ready.
joined by a stream of them. Keen to pick
Look at my toes, they're so bad. Don't look.
Right.
the idea is
Right, boss is at it now. Look at it, she's got all the toolkit, dangerous weapons.
when they go back in the house,
Look at her.
smell wonderfully fruity.
If you don't like the sight of blood, turn away now.
It's a ground hugger, so it won't
Because
Give me
because
that.
this is what happens. If you hear that scream, ha!
You want to save a few
What?
Tender in the corners,
I did
darling.
not even start.
You pulled on the corner where I've just cut my nail out. Just in here,
two,
in there. Just be careful.
Jeez.
Because it's just tender.
at least 4.
Okay.
It's well watered by the end of the summer.
Used to be perfect,
It's been 6
Michael.
weeks since cat-mad couple Caroline and Dave
Never used to be. Then she then
Not just
when she
for
first
the
came
love of
here,
their
she used to do them
garden,
regular
but for the love
for
of
me.
their cats too.
And they were like youper duper.
We
still do them regular.
Patio up to the same standards as the garden out here.
Don't tell them lies.
But in point of fact, it's taken on a
I
life
wouldn't
of its
tell
own.
them lies, darling.
Their catio has been to a welcoming courtyard.
Oh yes, that's for
That's
the
too much. Fun.
that's for them to sit in there so the pussies can't escape.
Go for it in a big way.
Ah,
The feline fans have stuffed the space head to toe in artfully arranged pots and planters,
Look.
overflowing with exotic
A woman of
fragrance
many talents,
cannas
look.
and hostas.
she's now been a
Have burst into flower.
chiropodist.
David's catnip,
Yeah,
which Caroline
chiropodist.
popped into a little
Chiropodist.
cat-eyed planter, has been a